In this video, I want to talk about your pool's pH levels and how important they are to keep in range. If you like videos like this and you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and please also give me a like on this video so people can find it. If your pH levels are high, they get to 8.0 to 8.1 to 8.2, it's going to minimize as it goes up. So your chlorine demand, let's just say you have a 3 tablet a week chlorine demand. Now your chlorine tablets are it's gonna be like you putting 2 tablets or 1 tablet. If the pH is low, then you're going to use up your chlorine quicker. And so here on these test strips, you can see here 7.2 to 7.8. I like trying to get 7.4 to 7.6. So just remember that. As it gets low, that chlorine is going to be used up quickly. The pool water is going to become acidic. As it goes up higher, now that chlorine cannot do its job. So just try to maintain 7.4 to 7.6. These are good test strips that I use. There'll be links in the description to where you can pick them up. These are the 5-way test strips by AquaCheck. Test your pH and adjust it on a weekly basis. Make sure that you're keeping the levels good. If they're not in range, you will end up having problems, especially if that pH gets too high. You'll start to have cloudy pool water, possibly end up turning green. Well, I hope that you liked this video, and remember just to check that pH level on a weekly basis, and I will see you in my next videos. Thank you.